and welcome to Homespice. My name is H and I'll be giving you a tour of our office today. Homespice has been in business for about 20 years, and then this location we've been here for about 7 or 8 years. And so up front here we have our customer service area. We have Gabby, one of our customer service representatives, and then we also have Bob.
Hello.
Bob, do you want to tell us a little about what you do here?
Yeah, sure. So I'm part of the customer service team. Here we process all of the orders, and we also handle all of the customer service issues or any questions related to customer service. So we're always here for you guys. You guys can call us, email us, fax us, or even chat with us on the website.
Cool, thank you.
No problem.
All right, then moving this way. We have our little meeting or huddle area. We do our daily huddles here. And in this office here, we have our president, Val. Val, would you like to say a few words?
Sure. Hi, this is Val. Welcome to Homespice. We are a small family-owned business and have been here for 20 years. One thing I hear most often from our reps as well as customers is how much they love the quality of our products, especially after having sold and repped other lines before. So that's something I can share with you. As well as we offer an extensive selection in colors as well as patterns. We try and ship orders out in time, and we are also known for our great customer service. So please come and try us out. Thank you.
We're going to go down this hall, and to the left here we have our conference room, or we call it the cloud room, where we have some of our meetings when necessary. And then over here on the right we have our lounge area where people can come and relax and just put their feet up. And then down the hall we have another room that we call our wellness room. And so back here we have some couches, some bookshelves, lounge area where we can come and be a little creative and have a little fun at the same time. And then next we'll be going to the warehouse, and I'll give you a tour there. Okay, so now we are in the warehouse. We're about in the middle of the warehouse where the warehouse team has their own stations. Each packer has an area where they work. The warehouse is about 24,000 square feet. And so when they are finished packing with the orders, all the packages go over here in a holding place. They are here waiting for shipping labels. So as soon as they get invoiced, the labels get brought back to them. The labels go on the packages, and then they go on the FedEx truck. Our warehouse is set up with different areas depending on which line we have. And so in this area up here we have our ultra wolf. Further back from the packer station is our jute section. And then this way we have our pillows and penny accessories. Throughout each aisle, we have our cotton, our ultra durable, and our wool products. One side is going to be rectangles, other side are ovals. And there we have our warehouse.